So for Module 2 in PowerPoint, this one is 5 slides and it's adding more pictures and what's called smart art. So you can add what's available in the file for pictures, or you can add your own. The design that they used for this particular assignment, if you choose design and hover over it, they used the digital blue tunnel. So it's up to you if you'd like to use that, or select anything from the file new and you type any category you'd like. So for slide 2, we're going to create what's called a smart art, and the one that they used, I'm going to click in here and I'll show you how to find it, but you'll go to what's called Insert a Smart Art Graphic, and they use this particular one called Vertical Box List. These are the categories that they fall under, and over on the right hand side it gives you a sampling of what it would look like, and then when would you use a vertical box list, and then you would click OK and you would fill in the information that's on the previous slide. For the next one, to see what kind of smart art did they use in this particular slide, if I click it and choose, you can click Smart Art Design, and if you hover over it, they use the target list. So if you go into the slide and choose Smart Art, and if you choose List, you'll scroll down and look for the target list, and there it is, target list, and then OK. I need to fill in the information. And then the next one, what did they use? This is a picture that they inserted, but this is Smart Art Graphic. And what did they use? Smart Art Tools Design. They used what's called upward arrow. So if I were to click in slide 7, Smart Art, and then choose upward arrow, the upward arrow is in what's called process, and if you scroll down there you see it, upward arrow, and then the description. So what's really cool about the upward arrow, or anything from Smart Art, once you select the Smart Art, you can change the color of it. You can change, what's really nice is the Smart Art Styles, which gives it that 3D effects. So you can change that as you'd like. So it's up to you. The last slide, slide 5, is just shapes that they used. So this is insert shapes, and they used the basic shape, the trapezoid. So you can do as many or as little as you want on this slide. I think they got a little carried away, but you can do what you'd like. So in the end, it'll be 5 slides, and the information will be provided in a Word document. So again, on the last slide, you don't have to be as creative. Also, when you're typing the information, you don't have to type all of it, just get some of it started so I can at least know that you know how to create a smart art and fill in the information. That's fine. So if you just typed appliances, windows, and lighting, that's fine with me. And that's a save and submit. Thanks.